There comes a moment when your body begins to change. Your skin feels different. Your rhythm feels different. Even your nights feel different. And no one really prepares you for it. So you try to keep going. You try to fix it. You try to ignore it. But deep down, you know something has shifted. And what you need is not more pressure. You need something softer, something that listens, something that supports. That's where Eden Glow Sanctuary begins, not as a product, but as a ritual, a warm cup in your hands, inviting you to slow down, gentle oils on your skin, restoring what feels lost, a quiet moment in the shower where care becomes intention, a simple routine that becomes something more. Because this is not about fighting time. It's about honoring your body as it changes, nourishing your skin as it evolves, and finding calm in the middle of it all. Golden balance for comfort and calm. Botanical oils for deep nourishment. Gentle cleansing rituals that respect your skin. Every product created with intention. Every detail designed to support you. This is not anti-aging. This is care. This is balance. This is your new glow. Eden Glow Sanctuary. A softer way to care for yourself in every stage.